Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Chocolate Walnut Fudge. Heat up the pan on low flame. Add half a cup of walnuts and almonds. Dry roast for 3 to 4 minutes. It will make the nuts crunchy. Let it cool down a bit. Now add into the blender jar. Grind it coarsely. Keep aside, we'll use it later. Keep 1 tablespoon aside for garnishing. In the same pan add 1 cup condensed milk. Keep the flame on low. Add 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons butter. Combine well. Keep cooking this mixture between low to medium flame until it thickens a little. Keep stirring to avoid sticking it to the pan. At this point add crushed walnuts and almonds. Mix everything well. Now cook for more 2 minutes. The mixture has started to lose the sides. It has completely come off from the sides, which means your fudge is ready. Dish out. Remove on butter paper. Spread out and flatten it with spatula. Sprinkle reserved crushed nuts. Now there is no need to go to Lonavala for this fudge. You can easily make it at home with very few ingredients within 15 minutes. Do try and enjoy. You can have it right now, or I would suggest allowing it to cool down on room temperature for about 1 hour, then have it. Store in an airtight container. You can also keep in the fridge and warm it a few seconds before having it. If you try this recipe, please share your valuable feedback in the comments section below. It thickens more as it cools down completely. Do try this quick and easy recipe with a few ingredients: Lonavala style walnut almond fudge, and blow away your mind. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.